Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gradient text effect on CapCut PC. So grab your picture of a color and add in some colors on top of that as well. I'm just going to select mask, select split, and I'm going to pull it down and feather it out just to blend out the gradients, I guess. For the text, you kind of want it to be a little bit smaller than this because you want all the colors to show up. Maybe do it the other way around instead of this way. I know it's totally up to you though. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and I'm just going to add in a text. I'm also going to rotate it like this way, and I'm just going to type in the word hello. Like so, and then I'm just going to adjust the font size, and I'm also going to add in the font as well to that, and I'm going to add in a black background to just overlay everything. Right click on the text, select create compound clip, or on both actually. Go to blend mode and select the darken one, and as you can see you have this kind of gradient text effect. Of course you're going to want to select better colors than me. Select this, export still frame, and then select import project and export it to your timeline. And add in your image and then choose the brightener screen if you can. It's better if you use green screen, but it's harder to, it's because I didn't put in a background, sorry. Behind this, maybe that's why it doesn't show. It doesn't really show if I put in brightener screen. Maybe you can use the cutout to select and delete it, but it's pretty rough like that, so I suggest just sticking with this background. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!